If you only need car insurance for a short period, paying for a full annual policy may not make much sense. That's where Veygo comes in. Veygo specializes in temporary car insurance, offering flexible coverage that can last from just a few hours to several weeks. But is it the right insurance for your needs in 2026? In this review, we'll take a closer look at Veygo, its features, benefits, and a few things you should consider before buying a policy. Let's get started. Veygo is a UK-based insurance provider that focuses on short-term car insurance. Instead of committing to a 12-month policy, you can purchase temporary cover for exactly the amount of time you need. This makes it a popular choice for drivers who only borrow a car occasionally or need insurance for a specific trip. One of Veygo's biggest advantages is flexibility. Depending on your situation, you can buy insurance for as little as 1 hour or for several days or weeks. Once the policy expires, it ends automatically, so there's no need to remember to cancel it. Getting a quote is quick and straightforward. You'll enter information about yourself, the vehicle, and how long you need coverage. If you're eligible, you'll receive a price within minutes and can purchase your policy online. Veygo is commonly used in situations such as borrowing a friend's or family member's car, sharing driving responsibilities during a long journey, taking a test drive before buying a vehicle, or needing temporary cover while arranging a long-term insurance policy. Another benefit is that temporary policies generally don't affect the car owner's existing no-claims bonus if you need to make a claim, since the policy is separate from the owner's insurance. However, the exact terms depend on your policy, so it's always important to read the coverage details carefully. The company also offers a simple digital experience. You can manage your policy online, review your documents, and access important information without needing to complete lengthy paperwork. Of course, there are a few limitations. Veygo is designed primarily for drivers in the United Kingdom, so availability depends on where you live and the type of driving license you hold. Not every driver or vehicle will qualify, and the final price will depend on factors such as your age, driving history, the vehicle you're insuring, and the length of your cover. It's also worth remembering that temporary insurance isn't always the cheapest option if you drive the same vehicle every day. In those situations, a standard annual policy may provide better value over the long term. So, is Veygo worth considering in 2026? If you need flexible, short-term car insurance in the UK, Veygo is a strong option. The application process is fast, coverage can begin quickly, and you only pay for the time you actually need. For occasional drivers, borrowed vehicles, or short trips, it can be a practical alternative to a traditional insurance policy. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below sharing whether you've ever used temporary car insurance.